Hello everyone, I'm Richard, President and Director of Fun of Atlantic Tours, and we wanted to spend some time today to show you a new modern motor coach. We're very proud of this one with the Atlantic Tours name on it. Our partner is Coach Atlantic, and during the pandemic, Coach Atlantic did some protocols inside of their motor coaches to make things safe, and we're following all public health protocols. And so we wanted to give you a view of what would actually happen. When you arrive, you would be physically distanced boarding the coach. Your hands would be sanitized before getting on. We would load from the back of the coach first, so those seated at the back would get on first, and then we would load the rest. And when we actually get off the bus, it would be the opposite. People on the front of the coach would depart first, and those at the back. And everyone gets sanitized each time, getting on and off the motor coach. And so let's have a look inside. So as you can see at the stairwell, there is a handle on both sides, which is cleaned on a regular basis. Nice angled steps, easy access to get on. And as you can see, the partitions are around each seat and around the aisle. And as far as the protocols right now for the province is we're allowed 75% capacity as long as we can physical distance. So to start with, the front seats aren't accommodated because the driver has some physical distancing space. And then depending on how you book, if you already have a bubble of 3 or 4 people, that means you can sit together. And if you're a single, you would have a seat to yourself. And we work on a seating plan that would accommodate getting the appropriate number of people on the motor coach. And as you walk along, you'll see that each of the seats do have the plexiglass around them. We just ask everyone to stay in the same seat. We normally, prior to COVID, would do seat rotation. But since COVID, you will be assigned a seat for your entire portion of the trip, depending on what length that is. It could be a few days, or it could be the entire length of the trip. And as you can see, modern motor coaches have nice seat belts, and it's recommended that everyone wear the seat belt, or we encourage that. Regulations are coming shortly that everyone will be mandated to use them, so we're trying to get everyone used to that. You've also seen some video monitors up overhead, so if we have spare time, we can always show some movies or give lures of future trips, or even do a presentation or a talk on just about anything. And as you continue along the motor coach, we have nice overhead capacity as well for your overhead bags, coats, purses. Very comfortable, lots of storage space, and we are fully equipped with the washroom as well. So if you need to use the washroom, then of course while you're on the motor coach, a mask is mandatory, with the exception if you're having some food or beverage, and then you're asked to put your mask back on. But that is the protocols at the moment, and as things change with public health, we will adjust accordingly. So thank you, and hopefully you'll join us on the trip soon. We have lots of great programs planned for the Maritimes, Atlantic Canada, and many places else in the world once we can do that. And currently we're even offering day trips, local day trips, that people can get out and explore and have some fun. So come have fun with us, and join Atlantic Tours on its next adventure.